When you get in the zone, you come alive. You are suddenly in a dream. You ride the moonbeam, you dance amongst the stars. Music fills your soul, and then somehow it fills the room and reverberates throughout the house. Deep and dark and resounding. Nothing else is important. You are exactly where you want to be. Keep playing. You have found magic.